Oh, it's hot. It's August 2024. It's very warm, and I am outside my local allotments because I'm going to go and pick some fresh fruit for free.
Now, if you're outside Europe, there's a good chance you've never heard of an allotment garden. Put simply, it's a community garden, and in the UK and Ireland, they're very popular in urban areas. Allotments are normally owned by the city, who set aside a few acres of agricultural land. Each allotment is divided into small parcels that can be rented by local residents for a nominal fee, normally for just a few pounds a week. What you get in return is anything from 250 to 1,000 square metres of dirt to grow your own fruits and vegetables. Now, that food can be for your own family, or you can give it away to people for free. What you can't do is sell it.
Now, I haven't just arrived here without permission. Quite a few of my family members have allotments here, and so I'm here as their guest. But there's a lot of wild fruit just growing that happens to take root, and I'm going to go and pick some of it, because why should I go to the supermarket and pay, huh? Let's get it straight from nature. So behind me, these are thousands and thousands of wild blackberries. Now, very important, you wear gloves and you bring a bowl so that you can pick as much as you want. But don't pick too much because they'll go off before you can finish them. Ugh, insects. Go away. Yeah, let's do this. So this entire wall is just wild blackberries, which is also for the people who live in those houses. They get blackberries for free. Oh, they look good. Oh, there's already a spider invading my collection of fruit. Go away. I guess technically I'm invading his world. Oh, yeah. A lot of thorns. That's not good. I get the feeling some of these aren't quite ripe yet, so they may be a bit tart, a bit tangy. But we'll see. I love putting these in my cereal. Ow. Ugh, it's even stinging me through the gloves. Awful. I think the trick is, if it doesn't come off easily, it's not supposed to come off. There's a lot of them a little higher up. That's because people couldn't pick them, obviously. Oh, a lot of spiders here. Oh, some of these aren't ready. Actually, a lot of these aren't ready, but that means they will be ready in a couple of weeks. Ugh, insects. Doesn't look clean. Right, so after 10 minutes of not too hard work, this is what I end up with. So this is my prize. A few I got that weren't ripe, but mainly nice black ones. The important thing is, only pick the ones that come away easily. Also, get better gloves than I have, because I got the gloves that they give you at petrol stations when you're filling up your car with fuel. These offer no protection whatsoever. Oh, hold on. There's a caterpillar. Oh, I'm going to kill that. Oh, really? God damn it. But I will flick it out of the bowl. What, they turn into butterflies, right? Okay. Go on, Mr. Caterpillar. Get out. Hey. He'll be fine. Next, let's go pick some free plums growing wild. I think these are pears. But honestly, I don't like pears, so I'm not going with that. Alright, so this is a plum tree. And it seems that all the best ones are really high up because everyone's picked them. Of course they have. But let me give it a go. Let's see what I can get. There's one hiding. Oh, a lot of these have died on the tree already. Huh. Apples. Right, just found an apple tree. Wasn't expecting that. These look ready to go. Oh, nice. That one looks quite good. This one's been eaten a little bit. Oh, wow. Yeah, that looks good. This one looks a bit green, but I don't mind. I like green ones. So this is my haul of free fruit. Got lots and lots of plums, lots and lots of blackberries, and a handful of apples. Supermarkets be damned. Let's see how they taste. Get home and try them out. Right, I'm back home, and this is my fruit haul for the day. Only took me 15-20 minutes. Firstly, massive bowl of blackberries. Love that. Got rid of the caterpillar. A dozen or so plums. They look ripe and ready. Actually, they look slightly unripe, which is how I like them. And a handful of apples. What shall I try first? Now, you're not supposed to wash these until you're ready to eat them. That's what I've been told. So, I'm going to take out some of the blackberries and wash them, give them a try. So, I've got my bowl of blackberries and this little colander. Oh, a lot of muck on these. Don't get that at the supermarket. You know what, the colander thing doesn't really work very well. I'm going to just wash them in this. Who needs supermarkets? Let's try them out. Yum yum. Oh god, that's disgusting. I'm sorry, Tesco.